Yo, shout out to the homie bodega.shy. That's bodega.shi, man. We were in Versus yesterday, right? Kicking in with family, man. Hadn't seen the fellas in a minute just because these schedules is crazy. And let me see, I got Jigga all out the frame. Hold up. Homie walked in, man, saw Austin, was like, yo, I check out your video with you and your pops. And like, he couldn't even see me. I was standing right there. And that was dope. He's from
the Bahamas.
The Bahamas, yeah.
Oh, no, Jamaica or Bahamas? One of them.
One of them, man. He's from the islands. Like, he don't even live here, man. He just so happened to be visiting. And that was the coolest thing that probably ever happened to us. So, shout out to the homie bodega.shy.
Stuff like that makes your day, man.
Yeah, man. That's what keeps us going, to be honest, man.
So, if you ever see us and you be like, yo, I love the channel, we'll chop it up with you, talk to you, try to put you in the video.
Hit me up with a Yao Ming, anything.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the tray master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinger slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hypebeast is back at you with yet another video, man. And today is Sunday, man. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. We should have shot this video yesterday, but just time is so hard right now, man. It really is hard. But did pick these up yesterday. Shout out to the plug, as always, man. You saw about what's in the description. You already know what it is, man. You see the box. So, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it does say Fear of God right there. I think I got that to where you can see that. Trying to use the light for me, not against me. There is a Nike check right there. I can't see it. You probably can't see it either. It does say Air Fear of God right here. We got Nike Air Fear of God 1, size 10.5, light bone black. It's not on here, but suggested retail value for these is $350. Just like before, you got that package. I'm not even gonna open that, but inside of there, you have the
same laces.
Another set of laces. You have 3 sets of lace locks, all 3 different colorways. One is a clear, one is a gray, and one is kind of a light bone. And you have the Air Fear of God hang tag. That's what it's in that box. Of course, just like the last package, you have
your IKEA looking bag.
The Fear of God duffel tote. Got Fear of God on one side, Nike check on the other, man. This is a high quality premium bag. Lined, insulated. It's nice. Very nice. Very nice. And in here, man, you got the shoes, man. You got the shoes. These are the shoes.
Space boots.
Moon boots, space boots. Call them what you want, as long as you call them dope. Yes, sir, man. Completed the set on these guys, man. Let's get into this a little bit, man, about these shoes, about height, about I had my little tag back there, man. So this shoe right here, man, to me is dope. So this colorway I like 100 times better than this colorway. And the reason I say that, man, I think it just blends more. Yeah, it all, this white to black or black to white, depending on the way that you look at it. Don't get me wrong, I like it. It's a dope silhouette. Like I like the shoe, but I just think this particular colorway is just so clean, man. This is such a nice shoe. You can see the materials on it a whole lot better. It's actually a different material, man. I don't know if anybody has exposed that or not yet. But this upper, you can see right there, that's all.
Oh, that's mesh.
It's all mesh on the top of this guy, man. Which is dope. Don't get me wrong.
But it feels different, probably.
But this one right here, man, has that leather nubuck-ish. People been calling that suede. I don't think it's suede. I think it's like a nubuck. But it goes all the way to the top, man. It's all the same material. Toe box, all the way to the collar, man. So that is a significant difference, man. If you have not heard that yet, I'm gonna tell you right now, this shoe is completely top to bottom with premium leather, which honestly makes this shoe even more worth the money, more so necessarily than this one. What made me want this one so hard and so much was because it's the original. It's the very first one to drop. I like having the OG shoes, so that's why I like this. I mean, and I do, as you can see, I done rocked it plenty of times, man. Like I like the shoe. I like it enough to wear it a lot. But this shoe right here, man, it just looks good. So as far as the makeup, other than this entire upper being that nubuck, really nice quality leather, everything else is the same as far as how the shoe is designed. What you think, man?
Moon boots, bro.
Moon boots.
I'm just trying to figure out what outfit you're gonna put with this. So, I don't know.
So I've rocked these a lot of different ways. I've rocked them with tapered jeans. I've rocked them with cuffed jeans. I've rocked them with joggers. I've rocked them well, not these. I rocked this pair with all of that, even with a pair of shorts at a certain point, man. And to me, it's just like any other sneaker, man. You put it on and you rock it. I like it best with joggers. I think I like them both. I think I'm gonna like them both best with joggers. But do it how you want it, man. Rock it how you want it, because it's not really gonna matter. People are gonna notice these. They're gonna be like, wow, what's that? If they do know what they are, they're gonna be like, whoa. And if they don't, they're gonna be like, what's that? What are those? I ain't never seen those. Either way, people will notice your feet with these guys on them, man. So it's got the air zoom unit, just like the last one. Them hands, what? The translucent cover to the air zoom unit, I think that's what it is. It does have Air Fear of God, SN. Let's see if these numbers are the same. 832-9166. So if I remember from the last video, man, that was Jerry Lorenzo's grandfather's military number. I think that's what that number was there. You do have on this particular unit the zipper. The zipper on the black pair was like a gunmetal type. You see that zipper there. This one, and it did have Nike on one side and Fear of God on the other. This one has the same thing, but it's just in a polished chrome, which I like. That's just a nice little touch. It's different. This one does have the Air Fear of God on the inside, just like the other. Does come with a third lace on the inside of the shoe. The insole has that 06102425, which I can't remember what that was. Was that a Bible verse? I think it was a Bible verse. I think that's what I remember it was. Apologies, man. I didn't do a lot of research on this. I just haven't had time, man. We just coming back from Austin's track meet. He did get a little higher. We waiting on some poles for him, man. He been jumping on small poles, trying to make it work. And I gotta say, man, for short poles and short runs, he been doing his thing. Shout out to the homie Jai. Got a PR today. I'm gonna link his YouTube in the description, man. He definitely do some dope videos, man. Y'all check him out. But yeah, I'll put both of their jumps up here, and you'll be able to see that they both did they thug thizzle. What else you got, man?
I gotta say about it.
Yeah, we'll be right back. And we're back with a special guest, man. The homie Jigga Josh in the building, man. Y'all gotta excuse that ugly ass sweatshirt that he wearing. But what's good, family?
Man, you know, I'm just chilling, man. Chilling like
Yo, man, Jigga is one of our favorite cats, man. He's the funniest dude that Austin knows, other than me. So, yeah, I think he got that shirt for free. I think it was like,
you got shit hard on. I ain't worried about that.
Oh my goodness. He calls my heart shit hard.
yo, Reinhardt in the building, boy. Are you?
Not ready.
So, man, yeah, like I was saying, the biggest difference on these guys, man, is materials. I'm gonna try to get that close enough. You see how that white just took over the whole shot? But you can see those materials are totally different, man. Still dope nonetheless. So the one thing I can say about this model that is different from this, I guess because of the material, well, first of all, this is a size 11. This is a size 10.5. They're both rather difficult to get on, but once you do get it on, it's super comfortable. Super duper comfortable. I think, Austin, you've slipped one of these on your feet.
Yeah, bro. It's low key like or therapeutic.
Y'all see how down his energy is, man? That boy tired. He out of shape. That's what's wrong with him. He out of shape.
Look like Trump.
So we gonna have to work to get that boy in shape, man. Y'all mean? So other than that, man, this thing is dope. What you think of it, Josh? Tell me what you think of it, man. Hold it up so people can see you.
I really like it. You know, I can't afford it.
What you like about it?
You know, we got ankle support. I need some stuff like this. I got bad ankles.
Got no cankles.
Yeah.
I did see that the homie PJ Tucker wore both models, man. I need to see if I can find something where he says what he thought about them, because he wore them both on court, and I ain't gonna lie, if I was in the NBA, I'd be rocking them too. I'd be PJ Tucker on steroids. I'd be trying to rock everything. I already rock everything, so you know. Shoot.
Shout out to Mama Santos.
She got that for you.
Yeah, that ain't nice.
Yeah, that thing fly. Super fly. So that's it, man. Y'all tell me in the comment section what you think about these guys, man. I know there's a lot of people out there. I don't know if they hate on it because of, you know, the lack of access and they just can't get it, so they don't want it, or if they really, really just don't like it. Either way, it's cool. Like, you know, it's not for everybody. I understand that. Shout out to everybody that continues to rock with us. Fear Gods in the building, man. Both pairs. Shout out to the plug. And what's up? You got anything else?
Drake! Adidas? Reebok? I'm the biggest comeback of 2019. Me!
That's it, man. Dad, son, Jigga, Josh, Cams,
Hoodie Austin.
holla.